Primary 3, Unit 18, Quantities. A lot of, a few, a little. We use a few, a little, or a lot of to talk about quantities. Quantities, so learn, describe how much or how many there is of something. We use a few and a lot of to talk about countable quantities. A few books. 1, 2, 3. A few fries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lot of books. There are 31 books. A lot of fries. There are 48 fries. We use a little and a lot of to talk about uncountable quantities. A little ice. Can we count the ice? Is this 1 or 2? How can you count it? A little flour. Can you count every grain of flour? Nope. A lot of ice. A lot of flour. Examples. Example 1. What do we use? Do we use a lot of, a few, or a little in the space? Here is the sentence. Ken saw worm sweets. The answer is a lot of. Why is the answer a lot of? Let's see. Here are the worm sweets that Ken saw. Now there are many sweets. And we can count the sweets. So we used a lot of. Next example. Example 2. The hand took butter. The answer is a little, because there's not much butter. See, here is not much and here is so much. And we're not able to count the butter. How do we count butter when we can cut it anywhere? So we used a little. The hand took a little butter. Example 3. Boris ate blank chocolate frogs. Is the answer a little, a lot, or a few? The answer is a few. Boris ate a few chocolate frogs. Let's look at why we used a few. Well, there's 1, 2 chocolate frogs. That's not many chocolate frogs. And we can count them. We can clearly count 2 chocolate frogs. So we used a few because there's not many and we can count how many. Your turn. Question 1. Boris drank blank water. Look at the picture. A little water. You can't count water. And there is not much in his hand. The robot went down the slide blank times. Well, there's 1, 2, 3. 3 times. What should go here? The answer is a few, because 3 times is not many. The people made blank food. Here's the food on the table and in their hands. So what is the answer? The answer is a lot of. Food is uncountable. And there's clearly many different plates here. Question 4. The elephants drank blank water. Here are the elephants drinking. Here is the water. What is the answer? A lot of. And it's uncountable because it's water. And there's so much water that's going to go on the monkeys. So we use a lot of. The elephants drank a lot of water. Question 5. Mum carried blank bags. What is the answer? In the picture, there are 2 bags. We can count them. 1, 2. So the answer is a few. Mum carried a few bags. Question 6. The giants put down blank Santas. Here are the Santas. Can we count them? Are there many or not many? The answer is a lot of. The giants put down a lot of Santas. Question 7. Boris did blank push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4 push-ups. What is the answer? A few. Boris did a few push-ups. It's countable and there are not many. Question 8. Little Wolf ate blank vegetables. Here are the vegetables. What is the answer? A lot of vegetables. Eating all these vegetables is a lot, and we can count vegetables too. Question 9. The goat ate blank grass. Here is the grass the goat is eating. What is the answer? A little grass. The goat ate a little grass. You cannot count the strands of grass. Question 10. Boris did blank sit-ups. Boris is doing more than 100 sit-ups. So what is the answer? The answer is a lot of. Boris did a lot of sit-ups. That is the end of the question time. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye.